Selective Merge allows you to review and alter changes to your target Jira instance when deploying a snapshot. In this example, we'll review the options for deploying custom fields from a snapshot. To begin, click Configuration Manager, Deploy. For this scenario, the snapshot we're deploying is in the current instance. And, in this example, 2 custom fields exist in the snapshot that will be deployed to the target instance. In the Actions column, click Deploy. The Choose Deployment Mode diagram displays, and in this example, we'll select the option to merge everything. Click Next and then the Fields tab. Here, we see the names of the fields, release version, and SME, along with the field configuration they are associated with. Select the first field, release version. In the right-hand pane, we see detailed information about the change that will be applied. Note that in some instances, there are several changes listed in this pane. Select the second field, SME. Now we see detailed information about the change that will be applied for this custom field. Hover the mouse over the text Effects1 Project to see the project that will be altered. The A in the left-hand pane tells us that by default, the custom field will be added to the target instance. However, we can click the letter M and match this custom field to another field in the instance. The drop-down menu displays fields in the target instance that are defined with the same field type as the one being deployed. Select the field you want to match, Dev Lead in this example, and click the checkmark. Let's follow similar steps for release version and match that custom field to the update field. The third row in the left-hand pane tells us that by default, the custom fields from the snapshot will be added to the default field configuration in the target instance. Click the letter A to alert CMJ that, instead of matching the scheme, a new one should be added with the name specified here. Click the checkmark. Now, click the Screens tab. The same options, Add and Match, are available here. Click Analyze, and the Selective Merge functionality evaluates the changes and provides a summary. In the Fields tab, click through each change in the left-hand pane to review the summary. Now, assuming you're satisfied with the changes, click Next to continue the deployment. In summary, CMJ's Selective Merge functionality allows you to specify how to deploy a snapshot to a target instance.